Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Quiz the Weather. Tonight's questions are on air mass, fronts, and cyclones. Our first contestant tonight is...
Hello, my name is Susie Smith. I'm 21 years old, and to myself, I think that I'm the smartest one here.
Action.
Our second contestant tonight is...
Hi, my name is Barney Stinson. I'm 28 years old and I got a scholarship from Harvard, surprisingly.
Okay, tonight's third contestant is...
Hello, my name is Jerry Jones. I'm 15 years old and I got no jobs.
Okay.
It's a large body of air where temperature and moisture content are constant throughout.
Question number 2. Can you explain maritime and a continental?
I can't.
I give up.
The answer is a continental is formed over land, so it's dry. A maritime is formed over water, making it wet. Question number 3. What are cyclones?
An area in the atmosphere that is lower pressure than the surrounding areas and has winds that spiral towards the center.
Correct. That's amazing. You really know your cyclones. Question number 4. Which air mass brings extremely cold weather to the United States?
I give up.
How about
I'll just end action.
Question 3. What are cyclones?
B. An area in the atmosphere that is lower.
End action.
Question 3. What are cyclones?
B. An area in the atmosphere that is lower pressure than the surrounding areas and has winds that spiral toward the center.
Correct. You really know your cyclones. Question number 4. Which air mass brings extremely cold winter weather to the United States?
Smog?
Nah, let's try that.
Fog?
No. It's continental polar. No. It's continental polar. Question number 5. Where do warm fronts form?
Where warm air moves over cold and denser air.
Correct. Question. Can either of you explain a stationary front?
Formed when a warm air mass meets a cold air mass and they remain separated because they don't have enough force to leap.
Number 5. Right, question number 6. How do anticyclones and cyclones affect the weather?
The rising air in a cyclone causes stormy weather. The sinking air in an anticyclone brings dry, clear weather.
Correct. Can any of you name 4 air masses? Can any of you name 4 air masses?
Martiman polar, continental tropical, and Martiman tropical.
Correct. Question number 8. Question 8. Can either of you explain a stationary front?
Formed when a warm air mass meets a cold air mass and they remain separated because they don't have enough force to lift over each other.
Correct. Question number 9. Name one thing that affects the weather.
Areas of different pressure.
Correct. Question 10. Which air mass brings cool, cloudy weather and precipitation to New England in the winter?
New England?
No. The answer is a maritime polar.
Okay.
Question 10. Which air mass brings cool, cloudy weather and precipitation to New England in the winter?
Snow.
No.
New England?
No. How can New England bring weather to New England? Any others?
Clouds.
No. The answer is the Maritime Polar.
Oh, I so totally knew that.
Question 11. Where do cold fronts form?
Where cold air moves under warm air, which is less dense.
Wow. How do you know all these things? Come on.
Because I'm smart.
Question 12. How can winds spiral out of an anticyclone and into a cyclone? Any of you?
As the colder, denser air spirals out of this anticyclone, it moves toward areas of low pressure, which sometimes forms a cyclone.
Whoa. That is good. Not even I knew that at the beginning until I saw the answers. Question 13. What sort of weather does the MT, Maritime Tropical, bring and where does it develop? Any of you?
No one knows because 13's an unlucky number.
True. It brings the Maritime Tropical brings hurricanes and is formed over warm water. Question 14. Can either of you explain like an occluded front?
It's formed when a warm air mass is caught between two cold ones. The coldest air mass pushes the warm one up. It then meets the warmer cold air mass. The colder one then pushes the warmer and cold air mass up. Sometimes, however, the cold air masses mix.
Correct. Now, for the last and the trickiest question. What is a front? Do any of you know?
I don't know. I give up.
It's the boundary between air masses of different densities and usually different temperatures.
Wow, that was the trickiest of all. Nice. Correct. And who is the winner of tonight's show? Who is it? Well, the winner is... You'll find out next show.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
And who is the winner of tonight's show? Who is it?
Totally me.
The winner is... You'll find out next show.
Stay tuned.
Dun, 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 dun.